Hello, this is Mihir's father. I would like to share some feedback about Scholars Foundation. I happen to know about Scholars Foundation this year itself, and I just enrolled it, uh, considering the fact that he'll be able to learn something. And the experience what I have is fabulous. The teachers are very cooperative. They work very hard for every student. We get individualized attention for my kid, and the outcome is that he is doing well in his maths in the school exams, and I hope that he will be able to even do better in the forthcoming years and for any competitive exams that we could foresee in future. Thank you, Deepesh sir and his team, uh, all the teachers for the coaching that is offered to me here. Thanks a lot again.